Ever faced a plumbing disaster you thought you could fix, only to make it worse? Today, we're busting the myths in plumbing maintenance that lead to these wet messes and showing you how to avoid them. Let's go! Myth number 1. Any DIY enthusiast can handle plumbing repairs. Many people think they can handle major plumbing issues just because they've fixed a leaky tap once. But messing with pipes without proper knowledge can lead to bigger problems, like water damage or even structural issues. For complex plumbing problems, it's wise to consult a professional plumber to ensure the job is done right, saving time and money in the long run. Myth number 2. Chemical drain cleaners are the best solution for clogs. A classic error in plumbing system maintenance. Many believe that using chemical drain cleaners is a quick fix for clogs. While it might seem effective initially, these chemicals can actually harm your pipes over time, leading to more significant issues. Use a plunger or a drain snake instead. These tools are safer for your pipes and often more effective at removing clogs. Myth number 3. Flushable wipes are safe for sewers. Despite what the packaging says, most flushable wipes aren't truly flushable and can cause severe blockages in your plumbing system. The best practice: stick to toilet paper and throw everything else in the trash. Myth number 4. Tighter is better for fixtures and fittings. Another common mistake is over-tightening plumbing fixtures, like taps or shower heads, which can lead to cracked fixtures or stripped screws. Remember, tight is good, but too tight can be costly. Always aim for a snug fit and don't turn that wrench with all your might. Use the right tools and follow the manufacturer's recommendations to avoid damage. Myth number 5. Plumbing systems don't need regular maintenance. Your plumbing system needs regular maintenance. Ignoring your plumbing system until problems arise can lead to costly repairs and water damage. What you can do is to conduct a regular check for leaks, drips, and odd noises in your plumbing system. These small checks can save you from the hassle and expense of major repairs down the line. And that's a wrap on our plumbing myth-busting session. By knowing the truth behind these common misconceptions, you can take better care of your plumbing system and avoid unnecessary headaches. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and insights.